Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents inside of Air France's latest premium economy amenity kit. I got this flying AF63 from Newark to Charles de Gaulle. And there you've got some toothpaste. Yeah, it's a small kit, just the basic necessities: toothpaste, earplugs, eye mask. Got the bamboo toothbrush, which you're seeing so often now, and some socks. So that's what you can expect inside of the premium economy amenity kit on Air France. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.